Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering 4 small Kirby cucumbers and wash them thoroughly. These are firmer and closest to McDonald's pickles. Slice each cucumber into 1/8-inch thick rounds using a mandolin or sharp knife for consistent thinness. In a heat-proof bowl, combine 1 cup distilled white vinegar and 1 cup water. Then stir in 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 tablespoon kosher salt until dissolved. Add 1 teaspoon garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon dill seed for subtle savory flavor that echoes the fast food profile. Place the vinegar water mixture in a small saucepan and heat it to a gentle simmer while stirring. This ensures the 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 tablespoon kosher salt fully dissolve. Remove the brine from heat and let it sit for 3 minutes to moderate the temperature. Pack the 1/8-inch cucumber slices tightly into a clean quart jar and pour the hot brine over them so each slice is completely submerged. Allow the jar to cool to room temperature, then seal and refrigerate for at least 24 hours before tasting. Store these refrigerator pickles in the coldest part of your fridge. They keep well for up to 3 weeks and should be labeled with the date. If you prefer tangier pickles, increase vinegar by 2 tablespoons. For sweeter, add sugar in 1 teaspoon increments until balanced. For crisper texture, chill cucumbers for 30 minutes before slicing, or add 1 teaspoon pickling lime per jar following product instructions. Use these thin, tangy slices on burgers, sandwiches, or as a salty snack directly from the jar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.